Welcome to Software Applications. We're going to start out with your first task right now, which is to hack the NSA database. Now, they've updated their security recently, so it's going to be difficult to get in, but I'll show you a couple tools that allow us to break their encryption. Of course, I'm just kidding. Your first activity today is going to be to create name stickers. Now, there are two things you'll need, and they're both in files for you. One of them is a website called CoolText. And what I like to do is take this and pop it onto half the screen by dragging all the way off the screen in one direction. The other thing you're going to need is called blank stickers. And when you first open blank stickers, you can't click into things until you hit View, Edit Document. And this is because we start out in reading mode with Microsoft Word. But once you click that, you've got now a document you can edit. And I like to take this and pop it on the other half of the screen. So I've got a website on one half and my sticker page on the other. Now, on CoolText, the designs you see here are starting points. You can modify them. So for example, if I take this one and I ask that you type in the name that you want to be called, the name that students should address you as. And that's what you're putting here. But you can change the way this looks. You can go into font and choose from the hundreds or more of fonts that they have, and that will change it. You can go into, depending on the logo, there are different things for colors or textures, and it depends on where you started. Once you get it the way you like, you can simply copy image over here, paste, and then of course you want to make it fit, so I'm going to size it down to fit. And in this case, I might actually stretch this one a little bit too. Your goal is to make a few different designs until time is called. So once you've got one that you like, go back and start over and go with a totally different one. The last thing to note, the animated ones are cool. However, we're going to be printing this, so the printer won't print animations, of course. Good luck, enjoy.